Simplify the expression. Evaluate coefficients if the exponent is 4 or less. Assume that all variables represent non-zero real numbers. The quantity 3x squared y all squared times the quantity xy cubed all squared all over xy cubed. To simplify, we'll first look at each factor in the numerator and denominator. We first have 3x squared y all squared. Here we'll use the power rule to raise each individual factor to the second power. So we have 3 squared times x squared squared times y squared. Similarly, we'll use the power rule for xy cubed all squared to get x squared times y cubed squared. In the denominator, we'll also use the power rule. Here we have x cubed y cubed. We can now simplify further in our numerator by multiplying the exponents when we have a power to a power. We have 3 squared, which is 9, times x squared squared, which is x to the 4th, times y squared, times x squared, times y cubed squared, which is y to the 6th. And this is all over x cubed y cubed. We can now multiply using the product rule and add exponents for bases that are the same, or like bases. In the numerator, we have 9 times x to the 4th times x squared, which is x to the 6th, times y squared times y to the 6th, which is y to the 8th. In the denominator, we have x cubed, y cubed. Finally, we can simplify using the quotient rule for like bases, and we subtract the exponents on like bases. We have 9 times x to the 6 minus 3, which is x cubed, times y to the 8 minus 3, which is y to the 5th. And so our expression simplifies to 9x cubed times y to the 5th.